Hello everyone, welcome to Gain Margin. Today we are going to solve some questions. Before we start today's session, I request to all of you, please like the video, share the video and subscribe our channel. So let us start today's session. So here we have given this some useful data. So in order to find the derivative of function of form y is equal to x power gx, here the function gx is a gx like this f power gx is a function in x itself. So how to deal with this type of questions? First, multiply with some sides of the equation, both sides of equation by natural log. Natural log, we have already told you in a second, third lecture how to deal with natural log. Log e is equal to ln log ln. Okay, this is natural log. So if you deal with like dx ln x, how what is the answer? F1 by x. Okay, so here natural log log e, log to the base e is equivalent. Okay, so generally in case of differentiation, here natural log is a base should be e is understood. There is no need to show here base e. Okay, but if you present in terms of log, then you have to show the e. This equivalent to natural log. Okay, so then apply the logarithm rules prior to taking the derivative. Then following examples, we have written some examples so that we will understand how to apply it. Okay, so let us start how to solve it. We take a one question. What is the first question? X power x. So here x greater than 0. So here y is equal to x power x. So what is the first step? First step, we have to take the natural log in both sides. Okay, take the ln in both sides. So how to do that? Ln y equal to ln x power x. So here we will also apply some rule like ln means base is e, understood? Okay, so a power b, we can also write b ln a. Okay, and one more thing, if you also write if you like a into b, base already e here understood. So how to write down? Ln a plus ln b. In division, we can also write ln a minus ln b. We can also stating in a general base. Okay, here specifically we are using base e, like log b into c base to the base e, let us say. Then how to deal with? Log b to the base e plus log c to the base a. This way we can write down. So here we are applying this concept. This rule we have to apply here. Ln a the power b, we can also write b ln a. Okay, so let us see. You can also write ln y equal to x ln x. Okay, using this rule. Okay, so x ln x. Then what is the next step? We have to take the derivative. Okay, so take the derivative. X ln x. Then here what is ln by? We just apply the chain rule here. So we know the derivative of ln x 1 by x. Okay. Or you can also write in terms of log x to the base e is also same. Okay, because we already told you ln x is equal to log x to the base e. Then how to solve it? Just apply the chain rule. Then ln by we just ln x is 1 by x. So here is a ln by be 1 by into derivative of y. Just applying the chain rule. And here x into ln x. Here this is a product. We have to apply the product rule. Is a function x is a function, let us say by is a g. So we are stating this rule also, f into g derivative of, then what is how to extend f into derivative of g plus g into derivative of f. Okay, so here we are applying x into derivative of ln x plus ln x into derivative of x. Then x ln x is 1 by x plus ln x into derivative of x, you will get 1. Then x 1 by x, you can cancel out, you will get 1 here, 1 plus ln x. Here dy by dx 1 by y. Then 1 by y dy by dx equal to, what is the answer we will get here? 1 plus ln x. Then dy by dx equal to, just multiply this left hand side by the division, right hand side will be multiply. Then dy by dx equal to, what is the y value? X power x plus 1 by ln x, x power x. Okay, this way we can solve this type of question. Okay, so let us solve second question. What is second question? By power x power by equal to x power sin x. By equal to x power sin x. So here, what is the first step? We have to take natural log and then take derivative. So ln y is equal to ln x power sin x. Then you can also write down here ln x power sin x power, just take outside sin x ln x. This is rule we are using here. Ln a power b, we can also write this way. Okay, so then what will we do? Take the derivative both side. Okay, then you can also write okay, then ln y ln y, this will be, you can also what is ln y? We are applying the chain rule here. Ln x derivative is, you will get the 1 by x. So here ln y we will get the 1 by y. We are applying the chain rule equal to, again this sin x into ln x. This again we have to apply the product rule. Okay, earlier we have discussed how to deal f into g d dx. So f into, okay, this we have also applying here. So sin x into derivative of ln x. This my function f, this function g. We have to keep first function at as is, and then take a derivative second function plus second function keep as it is, and take a derivative of first function. Then here sin x derivative of ln x, you will get 1 by x plus ln x into derivative of sin x, you will get cos x dy by dx 1 by y. Then dy by dx, you will get, just here multiply by into sin x by x plus cos x into ln x. Okay, then what is a y value in terms of x, x power sin x into sin x by x plus cos x into ln x. This way we can find out the final answer. Okay, so let us start. Let us solve third question. What is third question? Here sin x power x by is equal to sin x power x. Okay, so here x greater than 0. So here what is the first step? First step is we have to take natural log both side. Okay, then ln by equal to ln sin x power x. Here again we are applying the same rule. Ln a power b, you can also write b ln a. Okay, so same rule we are applying here. X ln sin x. Okay, then real and by, then take a derivative both side. Okay, then we can also write ln sin x. Then what is a natural log? Ln by, we will get that 1 by just applying chain rule. Then here again just multiply product rule we are applying here. So this is function x is a, you assume b is a function f, ln x is a function g. So keep the function f as it is and take a derivative of function g ln sin x, and plus keep the function gx is here assuming ln sin x, and take a derivative of function f. F is a function here x itself. Then take a derivative Here ln sin x, we are here, we have to apply the chain rule, because here is a first is a natural function, log function, then sin function, right? So we have to, how to deal with, we have to take outside to inside. First is a natural log. So what is a derivative natural log? Natural log derivative 1 by x, ln x. So here we assume that sin x is a whole x as a x. So then it will come ln x. So ln x is a 1 by x. Here x is a sin x we are assuming. So we take 1 by sin x into derivative of this, which here is a sin x. Here sin x plus ln sin x into derivative of x, you will get 1. Then x, then 1 by sin x into sin x will get cos x plus ln sin x. Then we have to simplify 1 by y dy dx. Then what you will get x into what we get cos x by sin x in plus ln sin x. We can also write this by x into e to j cot x plus ln sin x, because we know that we can also write tan x is equal to, in terms of sin x by cos x, and cot x, we know that this is a reciprocal of tan x, then we can also write cos x by sin x. Okay, so then dy by dx, then we will get by into x cot x plus ln sin x. Then put the value by put the value of by in terms of x. What is the value? Sin x power x cot x plus ln sin x. This is my final answer. So here in this type of question, in the first question we apply the natural log rule, we apply the chain rule, apply the product rule. In the same question we apply. So this type of question is very important to understand how to solve. So let us solve fourth question. Fourth question, by equal to x power 1 by x. X power 1 by x. Still, if you doubt, then you can comment below. So x power 1 by x greater than 0. So y is equal to x power 1 by x, then what your rule? We have to take natural log both side. Then ln by is equal to ln x power 1 by x. Then we will again we are applying the same rule. Natural log a power b, we can write b natural log a to the base e, understood? Okay, so here ln we can also write 1 by x, take outside ln x. So ln by is equal to 1 by x into ln x. Okay, then what is the next step? Take a derivative in both sides. Okay, then dy by dx, not dy by dx, ln y, right, equal to derivative of x ln x, and here ln y, what is derivative? 1 by y into derivative of dy by dx. Just applying the chain rule. Here we applying the product rule. X is a function f, ln is a function g, and then apply here. Keep the function f as it is and take a derivative of function g. G is ln x plus keep the function g as it is into take a derivative of function x. Then x into ln x, we will get 1 by x plus ln x into derivative of x with respect to x, will get 1. Here we will get x 1 plus ln x. Okay, then dy by dx, we will get 1 plus, then put the value by is a value, what is a by value? X power 1 by x, 1 plus ln x. Okay, so this way we can solve it. What is the next question? By equal to x power ln x. Okay, so take a natural log both side. Then ln by equal to ln x power sin x. Okay, then we can also write this way. Same rule we are applying again. Sin x into ln x. Ln is the power b, we can also write. Same rule here applying here. Okay, so take a derivative outside. Then we can also write dtx sin x into ln x. Actually here not sin x, is ln x, I think. No? Here is one missing here. Actually here x power ln x. Okay, so we are writing here instead of ln, be writing sin x. Okay, no problem, we have to correct it. Ln by is equal to ln x into ln x. Okay, then ln by we will get here. You can also write this ln x square. Okay, then take a derivative both side. Same thing applying here. Take a derivative both side. Then 1 by into derivative of dy dx. Here we apply the chain rule. First ln x, we assume the whole x. Okay, whole x. then whole x square you will get 2 into x. X is ln x into derivative of ln x. Then dy by dx is equal to 2 to ln x into derivative 1 by x. Then ln x by x. Okay. Then what is the answer we will get here? Here is a 1 by y. So here 1 by y dy by dx, you will get 2 ln x by x square x. No? So dy by dx equal to by into 2 ln x by x. Then what is the y value here? Y value x power ln x into ln x by x. Okay, so this way we can find out. In another way we can also write like that, x power sin x 2 into ln x by x. You can also write 2 here. You can take inside ln x square by, sorry, here is a ln x power ln x. No? Here is ln x, here is a ln x, here is a ln x. Okay. So ln x square by x. We are correct here. So here x power, here we are getting x power ln x into ln x square by x. What is the formula we are using? This formula we are using, like ln a power b, we can also write b ln a. So if you find this type of things, then you can also reversely you can also apply. Okay. So here we are using this type. This is my answer. This is also correct. This is in another form. Okay. So this way we can solve this type of questions. Okay. So let us solve this type of question also. Here y is equal to x power 3. So here same thing we are applying here, x power n. This is form x power n because here e is a exponential value, but a value 2.71 approximately like that. Okay. So this is a numerical value, n is a numerical value. Okay. So here if you take a derivative, then you can see that what is the derivative of x power n? You can say that n into x power n minus 1. So here n is a 3 x power 3 minus 1. This is my answer. Here second question, y is equal to sin x power pi. So here we are applying the chain rule. No? So here sin x, just assume the x, then x power pi, then just applying the same rule. Then here n, here is a pi, so pi into x is a sin x power pi minus into just applying the chain rule. Okay, so pi into sin x power pi minus 1 into derivative sin cos x. This is my answer. Pi into sin x power pi minus 1 into cos x. See question. So y is equal to x power root 5. You can also write this way, x 5 power 1 by root 2. Power 1 by 2, sorry. So here you can also write this way, 5 by 2. We know that this way x power a power b. Okay, if a power b, we can also write x a into v, this format. So here 5 power 1 by 2, we can also write x power 5 by 2. Then take a derivative. Here is a n 5 by 2 in fractional form. Then 5 by 2 into x power 5 by 2 minus 1. Then 5 by 2 into x power 3 by 2. This is my answer. Okay, so this is a way we can solve different type of question. So that is all for today session. Thank you for watching.